So hello guys, welcome back to Enotspeed Records. So last time we learned the body parts and the basic of guitars, which is the body, sound holes, and these are frets, these are strings, E, B, G, D, A, E, and these are tuner knots. So these are neck, right? So first we tried this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to the 12 strings, 12 fret, and backwards to the first fret. Now let's try Happy Birthday in this lessons. So as we know, Happy Birthday is like one of the easiest song. So first thing first, I will teach you on the first string. So let's try. So if I press over here on the first box or the first fret, it will be 1. So that means 1 equals 2. So this is 1, the first string, right? 1 equals to 1. If I press this, then it will be 1 equals to 2. If I press this, which will be 1 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I hope you get it. 1 equals to 1, 1 equals to 3, and this will be 1 equals to 5. So let's move on to the Happy Birthday guitar lesson, which is super easy. So first thing first, if I play this without pressing any notes or any frets, so see, this is mute. If I don't play, this is 1 equals to 1, 1 equals to 2, 1 equals to 3. But if I play it openly, open, not pressing any frets, so it will be 1 equals to open or 1 equals to 0, right? So the first step of the first line of the Happy Birthday is played on the 0. So 1 equals to 0, 0, 2 times, 0, 0, now 2, 0. So it will be 0, 0, 2, 0. I will put it the text, the notes on the screen right over here, I guess. So it will be 0, 0, 1 equals to, we only need to play the first strings of the guitar. So it will be 0, 0, 2, 0, now 5, 4. Once again, let's try the first line. 1 equals to, which is this string, the first thinnest one. 0, 0, you don't have to press anything 2 times. 0, 0, 2, 0, 5, 4, right? Then let's move on to the second fret, second line, which will be 0, 0, 2, 0, 7. Where is 7? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 5. So the second line is 0, 0, 2, 0, 7, 5. Good. Now we learn the 2 steps of Happy Birthday, which is 0, 0, 2, 0, 5, 4, 0, 0, 2, 0, 7, 5. Now you try it, I will wait. So I'll just show the frets. 0, 0, 2, 0, 5, 4. Come on, you can play it. Now your turn. Once again, the second line. 0, 0, 2, 0, 7, 5. Good job. Now let's move on to the third line, which will be a little different, which is 0, 0, 2, 0, 5, 4. The first line. 0, 0, 2, 0, 7, 5. Now the third line. 0, 0, 12. So 12 is these 2 notes. As you can see, on 12 there are 2 dots. So this fret is 12. So 0, 0, 12, 9, 5, 4, 2. As you can see on the tabs over here. 0, 0, 12, 9, 5, 4, 2. You get it? One last time. 0, 0, 12, 9, 5, 4, 2. Now 10, 10, which is over here. This is 3, 5, 7, 9, and 10. The last line of Happy Birthday. 10, 10, 9, 5, 7, 5. Once again. 10, 10, 9, 5, 7, 5. Okay, let's play it from the beginning. The first line is 0, 0, 2, 0, 5, 4. 0, 0, 2, 0, 7 5 0 0 12 9 5 4 2 now 10 10 9 5 7 5. Good job. Now I hope you learn how to play Happy Birthday, right? Now let's move on to the one next song, which is Smoke on the Water, which is by Deep Purple, a famous song by a very famous band, Deep Purple. So I hope the melody, it sounds like this. So we are gonna learn the basic version of Smoke on the Water, which is this one. So we are gonna learn this right now. So you can do that from the 6 strings. So this is basic. So this is advanced. Alright, I'm gonna teach you everything from the basics to advanced, so make sure you subscribe the channel once again. And this is the step-by-step beginner to advanced guitar course in YouTube. So I'll make a playlist, so make sure you subscribe the channel. So the basic part, how to play Smoke on the Water by Deep Purple. I might put a, what we call it, guitar tabs over here. So the first string you need, this for this song, you need to play the 6th string, the thickest one. Last time we played the first thinnest one, now we need to play the thickest one. So it will be 0 on the 6th string. So you don't have to press anything. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So first thing, for the Smoke on the Water, it will be 0, and not like this. You can't play guitar like this. So you need to put the guitar hand over here. 0, 3. So these are 1, 2, 3. So 0, 3, 5. The first step, easy, right? 0, 3, 5. Now can you play it? 0, 3, 5. Good job. Now let's try to play the second line, which is same as first line. 0, 3, 5. Now second line. 0, 3, 6, 6, 5. So it will sound like this. If you press a little lighter, it will sound unclear. So make sure you press a little hard, so it will sound clear and perfect. And don't press on these lines. Make sure you press between the lines, between these frets, right? So it will be 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5. So these are the 2 steps. Once again, 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5. Now third line, again same as first line. 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. So the whole song is this. Easy, right? 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. Super easy, right? Congrats, today you learned Happy Birthday and Smoke on the Water, 2 songs on a single day. So once again, I repeat the songs, which is Happy Birthday 002054 00275. Come on, play with me. The third line 0012542. Now 10 10 9 5 7 5. So that's basic Happy Birthday. Now the second song is Smoke on the Water by Deep Purple. You can even listen to that song. So first thing, on the 6th string, this will be on the 6th string. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. That's it. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I hope this helped. Make sure you subscribe the course, subscribe the channel for the next course. I'm gonna make a step-by-step full guitar course, guitar guide in YouTube right now. So make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye.